Hello, this is Earl Mallory with Glory Mortgage. Welcome once again to Mortgage U. So, you're in the market for a new home. You've been pre approved. You've gone shopping. You found the perfect home and you made an offer. And the offer was accepted. Now comes the process of getting all the documents together and getting yourself ready for closing. But what happens to the rate from the time that you first made the offer to when the time comes for closing? How do you make sure you have the same rate? Today, I thought we would look at lock in or rate locks on a mortgage. Lock-in or rate lock simply means that the interest rate won't change from the time that you made the offer until the time of closing, as long as you close within the specified period of time and that nothing changes on your application. As you probably are aware, mortgage interest rates can change daily and sometimes even hourly. If you lock in your interest rate, though, this won't happen to you. Interest rates can be locked for anywhere from 15, 30, 45, even 60 days, and sometimes even longer. If your rates are not locked, they can change at any time. There can be a downside to a rate lock. For example, if the term that you originally locked your rate for is coming to a close, it could be very expensive to extend that time frame. On the other hand, if you've locked yourself into a specific rate and the market rates start to fall, you may not be eligible for those lower rates. So take that in consideration when trying to figure out what rate to lock in for. Once you've locked your rate, there could still be a change in your rate if there's changes in your application or other circumstances. Some of those reasons could be you decided to change the kind of loan you're requesting or the amount of your down payment. The appraisal on the home you want to buy came in higher or lower than expected. Your credit score changes, for example, because you applied for or took out a new loan or missed a payment on an existing loan or credit card. Or your lender could not document your overtime, bonus, or other income. So in closing, if you decide to get a rate lock, make sure that the time frame that you've locked it in for is long enough to cover the time it takes to close. If you feel for any reason that it is not long enough, contact your lender and ask for an extension before you get to that point. I hope this is helpful. This is Earl Mallory with Glory Mortgage. Thanks again for watching Mortgage U.